Get ready for an adrenaline-packed adventure as we reveal the 12 most daring hacking gadgets you can get your hands on. These cutting-edge tools will take you on a thrilling journey into the world of cybersecurity. Brace yourself for heart-racing experiences where boundaries are pushed, vulnerabilities are laid bare, and hackers reign supreme. Number 1. Invicti. Get ready to unleash your inner hacker with Invicti, the web application security scanner that finds vulnerabilities faster than a squirrel finds acorns. Big T, a cutting-edge web application security scanner and hacking tool, will transform how you discover vulnerabilities in web applications and services. With its advanced features and seamless performance, it's no surprise that Invicti is a top choice for security professionals. Enjoy dead-accurate vulnerability detection with unique proof-based scanning technology, waving goodbye to false positives and saying hello to pinpoint accuracy. Invicti also boasts minimal configuration, making it a breeze to set up, and offers a scalable solution capable of scanning up to 1,000 web applications within just 24 hours. Number 2. Fortify Web Inspect. This isn't your average hacking tool, it's like a cybersecurity Tarzan hacking its way through the complex web application jungle. Fortify Web Inspect is a comprehensive dynamic analysis security tool designed to tackle the toughest web applications and services. One standout feature is its ability to test the dynamic behavior of running web applications, letting you identify security vulnerabilities hidden in complex scenarios. Stay in control with relevant information and statistics, managing the scanning process effectively. Fortify Web Inspect offers centralized program management, vulnerability trending, compliance management, and risk oversight. Whether you're a seasoned security tester or just starting out, this tool provides professional-level testing capabilities in an accessible manner. Number 3. Cain and Abel. Ever wished you could unlock forgotten passwords like a wizard? Well, with Cain and Abel, your magical powers just got an upgrade. Powered by Microsoft, this tool is your go-to for password recovery and network sniffing. It's like having a secret key to unlock hidden doors. Cain and Abel excel in recovering MS access passwords, perfect for regaining access to protected databases. It's also handy for network sniffing, allowing you to uncover vulnerabilities for security testing purposes. With Cain and Abel, uncover hidden password fields and crack encrypted passwords using dictionary attacks, brute force techniques, and crypto analysis. It's a powerful tool for those looking to dive into the world of password recovery and network exploration. Number 4. Nmap. Gear up for a network adventure with Nmap, the network mapper that'll lead you through networks like a modern-day Indiana Jones. Picture yourself with hat and whip in hand as Nmap becomes your trusty compass in the hacking arsenal. This ultimate port scanning and network mapping tool takes you on an exciting journey into the realm of network security. Nmap's capabilities extend beyond basic scanning, offering comprehensive host discovery, operating system detection, and the creation of detailed network architecture maps. Its script extensibility takes vulnerability detection to the next level, providing advanced scripting options for adapting to specific network environments. Regardless of your preferred operating system, Nmap caters to the needs of security professionals, offering a versatile solution for network probing. Number 5. Nessus. Meet Nessus, the mighty superhero of vulnerability scanners, standing as the world's most famous tool to fight against bugs and weaknesses. Developed by Tenable Network Security, Nessus has gained global recognition for its prowess as a renowned vulnerability scanner. Highly recommended for non-enterprise usage, Nessus acts as a vigilant protector, adept at identifying critical bugs, unpatched services, misconfigurations, weak default and common passwords, and various system vulnerabilities. With its comprehensive scanning capabilities, Nessus becomes your steadfast guardian, ensuring the security of your systems. If you're ready to scan the whole wide world for top-notch and amazing gadgets, Nessus is your superhero sidekick in the ongoing battle for cybersecurity. Number 6. Nikto. Step into the world of web server detection with Nikto, a reliable and powerful web scanner designed to uncover vulnerabilities like a seasoned detective on the trail. This free and open-source tool serves as your steadfast ally in the mission to identify potential security risks within web servers. Nikto goes beyond basic scanning, meticulously testing multiple web servers to pinpoint outdated software, potentially hazardous CGIs or files, and other issues that could compromise your system's security. Equipped with an impressive arsenal of over 6,400 checks for potentially dangerous CGIs and files, Nikto takes a thorough approach. It doesn't stop at the surface, but delves into assessing servers for outdated versions and version-specific problems. The tool even scrutinizes plugins and examines misconfigured files, leaving no stone unturned to ensure your web server remains fortified against potential cyber threats. Nikto's commitment to comprehensive web server security makes it an indispensable companion for anyone navigating the complex landscape of cybersecurity. Number 7. Kismet. Embark on a wireless hacking journey with Kismet, the adept sniffer and wireless network detector that reveals hidden networks with the finesse of a magician showcasing tricks. Kismet isn't just a tool, it's the ultimate ethical hacking companion for testing and probing wireless LANs. Functioning as a sniffer and wireless network detector, Kismet showcases its prowess by identifying networks, collecting packets, and even detecting non-beaconing and hidden networks through meticulous data traffic analysis. As you don the digital detective hat, Kismet empowers you to uncover hidden wireless networks that might pose security risks. Whether you're navigating Linux-based systems like Ubuntu or Backtrack, or even exploring the realms of Windows, Kismet offers unparalleled power and versatility. It transforms the exploration of wireless networks into an immersive experience, providing valuable insights into potential vulnerabilities. With Kismet as your trusted companion, ethical hacking and wireless security exploration become not just tasks, but exciting adventures into the intricacies of network security. Number 8. NetStumbler. Imagine being a cyber Sherlock Holmes equipped with a trusty companion like NetStumbler, guiding you through the labyrinth of wireless networks. NetStumbler stands out as a popular and user-friendly ethical hacking tool tailored for preventing war driving, seamlessly operating on Windows-based operating systems. Its capabilities extend to detecting IEE 902.11g, 802, 11N, and 802, 11B networks. With NetStumbler by your side, you gain the power to identify access points, AP, assess network configurations, locate sources of interference, evaluate signal strength, and uncover unauthorized access points. The legacy of NetStumbler lives on through its successor, MiniStumbler, which takes the torch forward, offering an even more advanced version of this essential hacking software. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned ethical hacker, NetStumbler provides a user-friendly gateway into the world of wireless network exploration, making it an indispensable tool for those navigating the complexities of network security. Number 9. Acunetix. Prepare to unleash the web vulnerability busting powers of Acunetix, the superhero of automated scanning, donned in spandex and ready to fight off bugs and vulnerabilities with lightning speed. Acunetix emerges as a fully automated ethical hacking tool, specializing in detecting and reporting on over 4,500 web vulnerabilities. This formidable force excels in identifying every variant of XSS, cross-site scripting, and SQL injection, among others. One of Acunetix's standout features lies in its support for JavaScript, HTML5, and single-page applications, allowing it to effectively audit complex authenticated applications and provide comprehensive coverage for a wide range of web vulnerabilities. Beyond its powerful scanning capabilities, Acunetix offers a consolidated view of scanning results, simplifying the prioritization of risks based on data. Its seamless integration with other platforms and tools enables users to incorporate scanner results into existing workflows, facilitating efficient vulnerability management. With Acunetix as your digital ally, web security exploration becomes not only a task, but an empowering journey into the realm of automated vulnerability detection. Number 10. Netsparker. Attention hackers with a penchant for authenticity. Netsparker enters the scene as the master art connoisseur of web application vulnerability identification, skillfully spotting vulnerabilities like a seasoned expert discerning the finest forgeries. This ultimate hacking tool specializes in pinpointing vulnerabilities in web APIs and applications, including threats like cross-site scripting and SQL injection. What sets Netsparker apart is its unique feature of verifying identified vulnerabilities, ensuring their authenticity, and eliminating false positives. By saving valuable time through automated verification, Netsparker allows hackers to concentrate on addressing real threats, making it the preferred choice for those seeking authenticity in their hacking endeavors. Available both as an online service and Windows software, Netsparker caters to diverse user preferences with its precise vulnerability detection capabilities. Number 11. Intruder Meet Intruder, the automated vulnerability scanner that dives into your systems, uncovering weaknesses with a mischievous yet friendly smile. It's like having a helpful hacker on your side, ready to assist with comprehensive and automated vulnerability management. Intruder takes scanning to the next level, diligently identifying cybersecurity weaknesses, explaining risks, and aiding in effective issue resolution. Boasting over 9,000 security checks in its arsenal, Intruder acts as a tireless assistant, revealing missing patches, misconfigurations, and common web application issues, such as cross-site scripting and SQL injection. The seamless integration of Intruder with popular platforms like Slack, Jira, and major cloud providers simplifies vulnerability management. Prioritizing results based on context, Intruder ensures that you focus on addressing the most critical issues first, offering proactive scanning to keep you one step ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. Number 12. Nmap rev up your hacking engines, because Nmap is here to map your networks with the precision of a GPS system on steroids. Consider it a cyber road trip without the traffic jams. Nmap, an open-source security and port scanner, stands as the go-to tool for network exploration and inventory management. Whether dealing with a single host or a sprawling network, Nmap has got you covered. With binary packages available for Windows, Linux, and macOS, Nmap caters to different operating systems, making it a versatile tool in the hands of cyber explorers. Nmap offers a range of features, including data transfer, redirection, and debugging capabilities, making it a comprehensive solution for network scanning. Its results in a GUI viewer provide a user-friendly interface to navigate through the information gathered during the scanning process. It becomes a reliable companion for cybersecurity experts, helping them monitor host and service uptime, manage service upgrades, and stay on top of network security. So, did Invicti's pinpoint accuracy and vulnerability detection leave you in awe? Or did Fortify Web Inspect's comprehensive dynamic behavior testing captivate your hacker soul? Now let's dive into the cyber realm with Nmap and explore the intricate landscapes of network security. Alrighty folks, that's a wrap for this video. We hope you find it informative and enjoyable. So, do you plan to get any of these gadgets? Share in the comments below. Moreover, if you appreciate our content and wish to stay updated on our latest releases, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.